Hey everyone, welcome back. Parenting is wild. One minute you're soothing a crying baby, the next you're wrestling with college forms. Today, we're diving into tech that actually makes parenting easier, from newborns to college-bound teens. We'll cover everything from smart bassinets to scholarship apps. Yes, there's an app for that. If you're raising kids in the digital age, hit like and subscribe for more smart parenting tips. Tech isn't about replacing you. It's about supporting your instincts and keeping you organized. Imagine having a super assistant who never sleeps or needs coffee. The right tools help you stay connected to your child's needs, whether they're learning to walk or prepping for college. Ready to see the best parenting tech for every age? Let's jump in. Trust me, you'll want to see what's out there. Let's get started. First up, the newborn stage where sleep is a distant memory. The Hatch Baby Rest Plus is a nightlight sound machine and OK-to-wake clock, all in one. Control everything from your phone, no more ninja moves to avoid waking the baby. Customize light colors, sounds, and volume for the perfect sleep environment. As your child grows, set it to signal when it's okay to get out of bed. It gently teaches routines, no more shouting, "It's not morning yet," at 5 a.m. One device, years of use. It's a total game changer for sleep-deprived parents. Tech that grows with your child? Yes, please. Fantastic. New parent anxiety is real. Enter the Owlet Smart Sock. This soft sock tracks your baby's heart rate and oxygen while they sleep, sending updates to your phone. If anything's off, you get an alert. Instant peace of mind. It's not a medical device, but it helps you rest easier. Sometimes a little reassurance is all you need. Sleep deprived? Can't remember the last feeding? The Baby Tracker app is your new best friend. Log feedings, diapers, sleep, and growth with a few taps. Sync with your partner so everyone's on the same page. No more 3 a.m. confusion. See patterns, stay organized, and keep your pediatrician happy. It's simple, effective, and a lifesaver for new parents. Organization made easy. Toddlers are curious and busy. Kinedu helps you keep up. Enter your child's age and milestones and get daily science-backed activities. No fancy supplies needed, just purposeful play. Learn the why behind each activity and track progress as your child grows. Take the guesswork out of development, play with purpose every day. Big feelings in little bodies? Daniel Tiger's Gurific Feelings app is here to help. Through songs and games, kids learn to name and manage emotions. Practice feeling faces, play through scenarios, and sing along with Daniel. It's a gentle, fun way to start conversations about feelings. Less meltdowns, more understanding. Ooga Mooga! Chores don't have to be a battle. Our home turns them into a game. Assign tasks, set point values, and let kids earn rewards. Kids work toward goals, not just to avoid nagging. Shared calendar and grocery lists keep the whole family organized. Teaches responsibility in a fun, motivating way. Less stress, more teamwork. Everyone wins. Want to foster a love of reading? Epic is like Netflix for kids' books. Access thousands of books, audiobooks, and videos for ages 12 and under. Personalized profiles and recommendations keep kids engaged. Track progress and discover new favorites. Anytime, anywhere. Reading has never been so accessible or fun. Lifelong readers start here. ABC Mouse makes early learning fun, not a chore. Kids follow a gamified learning path. Reading, math, science, art, and more. Earn tickets, customize avatars, and stay motivated. Designed by teachers, it's a robust supplement to school. Learning feels like play and kids love it. Foundational skills mastered. Devices are everywhere. Screen time helps you set healthy boundaries. Set daily limits, create schedules, and block unwanted apps or sites. The device locks automatically. No more arguments. Use it as a tool for digital responsibility, not just control. Start conversations about healthy tech habits. Peace of mind for you, structure for them. Smart parenting in a digital world. Tweens and teens live online. Bark keeps them safe without invading privacy. It scans texts, emails, and social media for signs of cyberbullying, predators, or risky behavior. You get alerts only if something's wrong. No need to read every message. It's a digital smoke detector for your child's online life. Safety net, not surveillance. Balance, trust, and protection. Stay connected, stay safe. Google Family Link is a free way to manage your child's Android or Chromebook. Set app limits, approve downloads, and lock devices remotely. See app usage and set device bedtimes. Location sharing adds peace of mind as kids gain independence. Build healthy digital habits together. Free, powerful, and easy to use. High school is hectic. My Study Life keeps students organized. Input class schedules, homework, and exams get reminders for everything. Syncs across devices for easy access. Helps teens manage time and prioritize tasks. Builds executive function skills for life. School stress managed. College is expensive. Scholly finds scholarships your student actually qualifies for. Create a profile, and Scholly matches you with the best opportunities. Deadlines, requirements, and links, all in one place. Saves hours of searching and thousands in tuition. Make paying for college less overwhelming. Must have for every college-bound student. Choosing a college? College Hunch helps you research, compare, and organize your options. Build a balanced list, track deadlines, and find the right fit. Go beyond stats. Consider size, culture, and cost. Empowers students to make informed decisions. Find the place where they'll thrive. Financial literacy is key. Mint and YNAB teach young adults to manage money, track spending, set budgets, and see where every dollar goes. Mint gives a big picture view. YNAB is hands-on budgeting. Build healthy habits, avoid debt, and save for goals. Essential skills for independence. Set them up for financial success. That's a wrap. From baby sleep to budgeting, tech can support you at every stage. Remember, it's about making life easier, not replacing your instincts. Did you discover a new tool today? Share your favorites in the comments. Let's build a community of smart, supportive parents. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. We'll be back soon with more ways to make parenting in the digital age easier and more fun. Until next time, take care, and give those kids a hug for me. You've got this. See you soon. Bye.